So I'll graph these two constraints. For the first one, I'll graph the straight line, 20x plus 10y equals 50,000. Find the x and y intercepts. So the x-intercept, I'll put y equal to 0. This will give me 20x plus 10 times 0 equals 50,000. So 20x equals 50,000. Divide both sides by 20. 50,000 divided by 20 is going to give me 2,500. So x equals 2,500. For the y-intercept of this problem, x equals 0. This will give us 20 times 0 plus 10y equals 50,000. 10y equals 50,000. Divide by 10 and you will get y equals 5,000. For the other one, this will be a little bit easier. I need to graph x plus y equals 4,000. And that's kind of easy for the intercepts. If y equals 0, what will x be? 4,000. And for the y-intercept, if x is 0, y is 4,000. As I look at these numbers, I'm seeing my biggest y value is 5,000. And my biggest x value is 4,000. So I'm looking at my grid and I'm thinking, okay, what's the best way to mark these off? I have to go up to 5,000 on the y-axis. I'm thinking every 4 could be 1,000. Every 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3,000. So 4,000, 5,000. On the x-axis, I'm going to do the same thing. And then plot the points. Okay, on the first line, the x-intercept was 2,500. So that's going to be right in the middle of 2,000 and 3,000. And the y-intercept on that one was 5,000. So we'll mark that point and then connect those dots with a line. And that would be a solid line. For the second line, my second inequality, my intercepts are both 4,000. So I'll mark those on the graph and connect those dots. I do need the intersection point. Let's see, the feasible region. The feasible region is what region would make sense that we could send supplies. Like I have the point 1,000, 1,000 in the feasible region. That's not a corner point, but I could send 1,000 food kits and 1,000 medicine kits and be done. That's not the wise thing to do. because I'm not using all of my resources. But the orange region there shows what is reasonable, feasible to send. You have got to find the corner points. Well, I'm going to have one there where the two lines intersect. So to find that point, you could take a guess and plug it in and see if your guess is correct. Or we could use substitution and elimination. I am going to go with one of those. So I'm going to write find the intersection point. We have 20x plus 10y equals 50,000, and x plus y equals 4,000. I can solve this by substitution or elimination. I think I'm going to go with elimination. I will eliminate the y's by multiplying the second equation by -10. Let me mark that right here. I'll just put that in parentheses and put -10. I put it with my highlighter so you can say that's what we're about to do. I'll write it again at the bottom. 20x plus 10y equals 50,000. And then -10x minus 10y equals -40,000. When I add these two equations, the y's will be eliminated. I will get 10x equals 10,000. And when you divide by 10, x is 1,000. I was about to write the wrong thing. X is 1,000. Thank you for that. So x is 1,000 when you divide that by 10. To find the y value, I can plug into any one of these up here. I'm going to go with the second one. X plus y equals 4,000. Let me write, I'm going to find y. So 1,000 plus y equals 4,000. Y will be 3,000. So I'm going to mark that on my graph.